How to multiply a monomial by a trinomial. So here you have a monomial 2ab and you have a binomial as 3cd plus 4ef plus 5abcdef. Now, if you remember, if you remember the distributive property of multiplication, it's like if you have a multiplied by b plus c plus d. Okay, so this, you can think of this a as a monomial because it has one term, and this is a trinomial, b plus c plus d. Since we have three terms, it means that it is a trinomial. Now, this can be written as using the distributive property of distributivity of multiplication or addition, because we have addition. So a multiplied by b plus a multiplied by c plus a multiplied by d. Okay, if this were b minus c minus d, then using the distributivity of multiplication over subtraction, this would be a multiplied by b minus a multiplied by c minus a multiplied by d. Okay, now if it were in this form, b plus c plus d multiplied by a, then what would you do here? Well, now here first you will apply the commutative property of multiplication, and that says that if you have 2 multiplied by 3, then this will be equal to 3 multiplied by 2, the commutative property of multiplication. So same, if we apply the same property here, you'll get a multiplied by b plus c plus d. Now it's exactly similar to this one, right? And same thing if it were b minus c minus d multiplied by a, then first apply the commutative property of multiplication, and then you can simplify it using this. Okay, so same thing you are going to use here. Here you have monomial, that is 2ab. If you have to find m multiplied by b, so this is 2ab, the monomial in this example, and then you have binomial as 3cd plus 4ef plus 5abcdef, right? This is 2ab, means 2 multiplied by a multiplied by b. This is 3cd, means 3 multiplied by c multiplied by d, and so on and so forth. A, B, C, D, E, F means that a multiplied by b multiplied by c multiplied by d multiplied by e multiplied by f. Okay, now applying this property here, so this becomes 2ab multiplied by 3cd, then this plus sign, 2ab multiplied by 4ef, then again this plus sign, 2ab multiplied by 5a, b, c, d, e, and f. Okay, now this number here, that is the constants, so 2 multiplied by 3, and then you have a, b, c, d, so write a, b, c, and d, then plus, here you have this 2 and this 4, so 2 multiplied by 4, then you have a multiplied by b multiplied by e multiplied by f, this plus sign, here you have 2, here you have 5, so 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by a. Now you have to see, pay attention here. In this case, now you have this a and this a, so this will be a multiplied by a then you have this b and this b, so this will be again multiplied by b multiplied by b, then you have c, d, e and f. So this gives you 6a b c d plus 8a b e f plus 10a squared b squared c d e f. So this is the answer for this multiplication. Now if it were asked to you that you have to find b multiplied by m, that is binomial, that is 3cd plus 4ef plus 5abcdef multiplied by 2ab, then you first use the commutative property, or even if you want to proceed straight away, then simply take this term of this trinomial, multiply this with 2ab, so this is 3cd multiplied by 2ab, then take this one and multiply with this one, this is plus 4ef multiplied by 2ab, and then this is 5, this term you'll multiply it by this one, so this is plus 5abcdef multiplied by 2ab. It's exactly the same one to this one. You'll get the same answer. Now in this second question you have minus xy, and sorry, this is not binomial, this should be trinomial. It's my mistake. This is trinomial. This is trinomial, not binomial. So you have trinomial. Trinomial is minus 3x squared y minus 2y squared z minus 5x squared y squared z squared. Now if you notice, each term in this trinomial is negative and the term in this monomial is also negative. Okay, so whenever you are dealing with negative terms, you always have to pay attention. And one thing I always suggest to students is that first convert it like this. If this is minus 3x squared y, write this as minus 3x squared y, then write plus, and within the bracket 2y squared z plus minus 5x squared y squared z squared. When actually algebraic expressions or polynomials are actually addition of terms. So if you put this minus sign within the bracket, then you'll save yourself from making any kind of mistake while you're performing calculation. Okay, so now if you have to do m multiplied by t, then this is minus xy multiplied by, use a square bracket, you have minus 3x squared y plus minus 2y squared z plus minus 5x squared y squared z squared. Okay, now the distributivity of multiplication or addition, so this is minus xy multiplied by minus 3x squared y plus minus xy minus 2y squared z plus minus xy within the bracket, then minus 5x squared y squared, and then you have z squared, right? So now this is minus xy. Minus xy means minus 1xy, right? Minus 1xy. If you write this here, this is minus 1xy. So this minus 1 and minus 3, minus 1 multiplied by minus 3, and then you have this, you have x squared, right? X squared, and you have y here and you have y here. So y multiplied by y, right? This plus sign here. Then you have again, this is minus 1xy. So in this case, this is minus 1 multiplied by minus 2. And then you have x here. So write x, you have y multiplied by y squared. We always group the similar variables together and multiply. So in this case, you have y multiplied by y squared, right? And then you have this z multiplied by z. Then this plus sign here. Now you have minus 1xy. So minus 1 multiplied by minus 5. And then you have x here, you have x squared here. So x multiplied by x squared multiplied by, you have y here, you have y squared here, y multiplied by y squared, then you have only z squared here, right? Minus 1 multiplied by minus 3 is 3. This is x squared, y squared, then plus minus 1 multiplied by minus 2 is 2. This is x, y cubed, y multiplied by y squared is y cubed. This is z. Then you have plus sign here. Minus 1 multiplied by minus 5 is 5. Then you have x multiplied by x squared. This is x cubed. This is y cubed. This is z squared. So can you see the benefit of using this, writing this trinomial in the form of addition of terms, right? In this way, you'll not get confused, or you'll not make any mistake with this negative sign. So this is your answer in this case, that is multiplication of a monomial by a trinomial. If it was t multiplied by m, then you'll proceed as we have discussed here, like in this case, same, no difference at all.